How to change account in Google Wallet app. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Google Wallet app. Once you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Changing the account in Google Wallet app is very easy and simple process. In this home interface, at the top right corner, you can see a profile icon. Tap on it. Now over here, you can see this drop down icon. Tap on it. It'll show you the list of Google accounts that you are signed into in your device. So over here, you can choose the Google account that you want to change to. Even if you don't have the Google Wallet account with that Gmail, it'll easily create a new one. So you can switch to any Google account that you have. For example, I'll switch to the second Google account over here. So I just need to tap on this. And there you go. It'll easily switch my account into another one. So that's how you can easily change the account in Google Wallet app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.